Alright guys, so this video is all about the bathroom for our Airbnb units and how to properly clean them. Now, as always, not every single one is going to be the exact same, but of course, they're going to have the same amenities. First things first is I always gather up any of the used, dirty linens from the bathroom, such as our hand towel and our bath mat. These particular guests did not shower, it appears. And then what I will do is take a kaboom and a rag, and I'll go ahead and start with the sink or the vanity of the guest. Now, as you can see, this one in particular does have quite a bit of hair, and the bathroom is where you are going to normally find the most hair. Hairs, we do not want a single one left behind. This is incredibly important. So we will ensure that there are no hairs. We will go ahead and wipe down soap dispensers and of course all of the appropriate handles and fixtures and faucets. On this one also in particular, you'll see this type of drain. Hairs tend to get caught down in this drain and clog the sink. What you will do is take a paper towel, you'll kind of bunch it up, and you're gonna get in there and ensure that you're getting all of that hair and all of the junk out of there. So that there's nothing in the drain. The next thing that I will always do is with my kaboom is go to the shower. We always want to ensure that we are wiping down the shower handle and we are giving the shower head itself a wipe down so that they're nice and shiny with minimal water marks. We also want to ensure that we are wiping down our body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, and we're also checking the stock. As you can see on this one, the body wash is running low, you can see here. So we are going to go ahead and refill that one back up. And then we also want to make sure any ledges are wiped down. If it's a bathtub, we are also wiping down and really checking very closely and very intently for any hairs that may be on the walls, on the ledges, or on the floor of the shower. Another thing that we're going to check is that there are not any hairs that are caught in the drain. On this one, surprisingly, there are no hairs this time, but if there are, we want to remove those and throw those away in a trash can. Again, we're always cleaning the pan of the shower or the tub with our kaboom, and then we will make sure that any ledges and all the handles are appropriately wiped down with no hairs left behind. If there are any ledges such as this one, we are also going to wipe. Make sure there are no toothpaste spots or water stains on it just to ensure it's properly cleaned. We're also going to always clean with Windex any mirror in the bathroom. Do not forget the mirror. And last but not least, we do have our toilet. We are going to go ahead and use our toilet bowl cleaner every single time, but we also want to make sure we are wiping down the entire exterior of the toilet, including the handle, the top, especially down here in the crevices. A lot of hairs tend to get down there. We want to clean the top and the bottom of the toilet, the toilet seat, underneath the toilet seat, and around the top of the actual toilet bowl. Then we also want to ensure down here along the edge, all up in here, that we are wiping that every single time, ensuring there's no dust and no hairs that are caught up on both sides of the toilet. In every bathroom, we have our plunger and toilet brush over in the corner to use to clean that. And next thing, we always want to remove the trash can or the trash bag, and we replenish it with a fresh one as well. And the next thing is the toilet paper. Now on this, there's barely anything left, so I'm actually not even going to use this for our guests. I'm going to get them a fresh roll of toilet paper and show you what we do with it. As I mentioned before, it's in the small details. You always want to make sure that the roll is placed properly over, not under, a debatable topic, but it matters. We always go over, and then what we do is we fold the top sheet of the toilet paper into a nice little triangle. Flip that over, and there you have it. We always want to make sure that we're checking, of course, the hair dryers and things like that, making sure that they're clean, there's not a bunch of hairs all over them. We do provide a hair dryer in every single unit. And if there's any shelves or anything like that, go ahead and give those a wipe as well. Last but not least, we will clean the floors, vacuuming with a brush or the vacuum, as well as Swiffering to make sure there is nothing on the floor. And that pretty much concludes the basic bathroom cleaning for our Airbnb units.